Hey guys, it's Trippy. Hope you're all doing safe and well. Today myself and Connor visited a place called Cape Cornwall. It's a place that I thought I'd never been before, but it turned out I'd been years ago with Lisa and I didn't realise until I actually arrived there again. I've definitely never done a video on it, as I believe when I last visited, it was long before I started making my videos, so it was cool to get it all on camera despite being there before. There's quite a nice little like chimney almost at the top of the hill, which is like a nice little photo shoot kind of area. But also there's a rock formation in the sea. I don't know if it's the official name, but it's called Man in a Bath. And you can see in the top right of your screen the rocks there. He has a pot belly similar to myself, and it just looks like a man like chilling in the water. So I wanted to see that as well. And I was flying the drone out towards it, and it's actually really far away. It looks quite close, but I believe I was over like 1,000 feet away from, like the drone was away from me, and still it seemed quite far off. But because the area itself of Cape Cornwall was quite small, we decided to go on like a massive coastal walk at the same time. If you've never been to Cape Cornwall, I definitely recommend doing this walk as well. Similar to the last video I posted, I believe it was for Port Low, we didn't really find a proper sort of turnaround point, so we were just walking until we were pretty damn tired and then rested for like 10 or 15 minutes and then just headed back again. But the sights you get to see, there's like a dinosaur egg kind of beach, like with big round rocks, which I show one of them. But I think I stopped recording around the second one, so I'm not sure if that's in it. But yeah, well worth a visit. And if you're into your coastal walks and the views and stuff, yeah, I definitely recommend this. This is one of my favourite walks I've done in a long time. So yeah, big thumbs up from me. But yeah, with all that rambling, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll crack on. What's this? Is that your?
What? Yeah, it's for the
solar.
It's for the lights. Solar's charging right now.
Lovely shot.
So this weekend I'm putting the sink in, put my board across there, water bottles in, and then I have to build this bit here. So I'm going to have it raised up there, with like shelves in there, and the tap coming out, and the tubes going around there from the... It's a bit of a...
Mission. Ready by December, do you think?
Oh yeah, be like I could get it finished.
Really? Hi.
This month, I think.
Lovely.
Day of work or something.
Yeah, I think it must have been a couple months before I'd started recording. I came here with Lisa when I first started driving. I was like wanting to see like all of Cornwall, and I thought, oh yeah, let's go over here. And then I remember she was like terrified of going up to the top of the the tower because it was high. Well, not the tower, the pillar thing, chimney. But yeah, I think that's the first formation I've seen where it's like, what's it, Man in a Bath, that actually looks like it's what it's called.
Yeah.
Like some of them are called like I don't know, giraffe's neck, and it's like a big circle.
Man with a big motor.
Yeah. He's got like the 60-year-old I've been drinking every day kind of nose.
It's amazing. It's got a big nose.
But I definitely haven't done videos on it.
Yeah, so the other beaches are up there.
Because like around there, I think that even that would look good on the drone. I think I'll go for the gentle approach.
Yeah.
I've never seen Heinz Guardians of the Countryside before. Have you seen that?
53 flavors.
Ooh. What was you saying?
What about that
Jack
film?
Black, yeah.
That it's just a good but
Oh.
nice laid back calm film. What was it ignoring?
I'm glad you said that, because literally my backs of my legs are already hurting. My mate online, he didn't comment on the video, but like wrote to me on like the gaming thing saying he's chuckling away to himself that I walked down a small hill and I was like out of breath on the video. I was like, well, I am pretty unfit, whether it's uphill or down.
Got my unique style sorted for the day.
Unique style.
So I don't want to get a sunburn where the bit where my cap isn't. It's like I've got this little sort of semicircle of tan skin on the back of my head.
Oh, there's loads of these little crumbled buildings.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm glad I didn't bring a coat now. I don't want to stand by that edge for too long. Oops, scared him. Oh. Into the shade he goes. I thought he was gonna jump on your shoe. There's two birds of prey there.
Oh, that's what that film's called,
Is it a sudden drop? Oh no. So we've like completely changed the angle and it still looks like a man in a bath. And he's got two little nipples. I'd say this is worth a trip. Found a bit of a natural pool. There's these weird, I don't think we get them in the UK, but they look like mini versions of catfish. Like maybe like that big. I'm pretty sure we don't get them, so I have no idea what they are, but they look pretty cool. But as soon as I stepped near the pond, they all flew off. Swam off, I should say. But it sounds like there might be a bit of a cave along here. I can hear the water sort of gulping. I don't know what the word for it is, but I can almost like hear it beneath me. I think Connor's going over that way. I think I'm going to set up shop here, have something to eat quickly, and then take off on the drone. Oh, there he is. He's probably on a mission. So we've come from Cape Cornwall, and I'm pretty sure you can well, I want to say walk all the way back there this way, but I'm not. I say pretty sure, I'm doubting myself already. But you can make it a lot of the way for sure. Might have to swim. It's nice and secluded. So set up shop here and get some drones on the go. I envy those people in that water. Whenever I see people in the sea and I'm not, I think, lucky kids. There's a spider guarding it as well. Yeah, when you stare into like a deep black hole like that, it gives me the heebie-jeebies, like something's going to come running out.
So this is where the trap's next.
I know what you're going to say. Just around that corner?
Yes. It's around the corner and along. It's a very good bit of films.